Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having a great day. What I've got for you today is the way that I clean and protect my rubber floor mats. I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to keep your rubber floor mats lasting long and looking great. So let's get started. Alright, so before we get started, before I forget, if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you think the content is of some value to you, I would really appreciate a subscribe and a thumbs up. So what I've got here are my two rubber WeatherTech floor mats. And what I'm going to do here really applies to any rubber floor mat. It can be the Husky floor liner, WeatherTech, so on and so forth. I've had these rubber floor mats, these WeatherTech floor mats in my car now for about 9 months. And as you can see, I've actually never washed them. This is the driver's side and this is the passenger side. We just got back from a family vacation at the beach, and this driver's side has a lot of sand, a lot of salt, and of course some buildup of dirt and grime, etc. from just everyday wear. So what I'm going to do is show you how I clean them and how I protect them. Alright, so to get started, I've already vacuumed these things off, flipped them over, knocked off all the dust. I'm just going to take my water hose, spray them down. Knock off the excess water. Now what I'm going to use today are two of my current favorite products for cleaning. I'm going to use some of this super clean aerosol spray foam, and then to protect, I'm also going to use this Mothers VLR vinyl rubber and leather cleaner. I'm sorry, vinyl leather rubber cleaner. Cleans, conditions, and protects. So to get started, I'm going to take my super clean, just give this a nice coating. I'm going to let that soak for just a minute. Now I'll have links to this super clean as well as this Mothers VLR down in the description below if you're interested. I'm going to take this little $4 or $5 brush I got from a local big box store. Just wet it down a little bit, and then just go ahead and agitate the floor mats with that super clean on it. Alright, so I went ahead and agitated both floor mats. Now I'm just going to give them a good rinse. So after I've got everything cleaned with the super clean, I'm just going to go ahead and dry it off with a regular old beach towel here. Now you could use a microfiber towel, you could use an air dryer, heat dryer, leaf blower, whatever you want to do to dry these things out. Alright, now that I've got the floor mats dried off, what I'm going to use now is this Mothers VLR vinyl, leather, and rubber cleaner, conditioner, and protector. So we've already cleaned the rubber floor mats. What I want to do now is just put a little something of protectant on. Now this is not an endorsement of Mothers. I just like this product. You can use whatever you want. You can use this Mothers, you can use the Aerospace 303, so on and so forth. Whatever you choose to use to protect these mats, go ahead and use it. Alright, so to put this stuff on, I'm just going to simply spray it on, wipe it down, let it air dry for a little bit, and put them back in the car. And that's it. I'm just going to wipe it down with a microfiber cloth I've got here in the garage. And again, I'd suggest wearing rubber gloves when you're doing this stuff, when you're working with any chemicals for that matter. Alright, so there you go. That is how I clean my rubber floor mats. Again, what I used for this was some super clean aerosol spray can cleaner. This stuff is really good. I'm really liking this stuff here. And then also, just as a protectant, I'm using this Mothers VLR. And again, I'll have links to these products down in the description below. And if you hadn't done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd really appreciate your support. Thanks for checking out the video, and I'll see you on the next one.